Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing the Vital Breeze AC. But before we get into that, a lot of you have been asking me how do I do this research so fast. I actually put together a complete guide that shows you my exact process. So the link is in the description down below for you guys to check out. And with that out of the way, let's get into the review. So as you can see, you have it opened up here on Trustpilot. And I couldn't find any information on this online. However, there are a lot of products like these which is exactly the same but just have a different name. So as you may already know that these products are just drop shipped from Alibaba and AliExpress, and they are really not air conditioning. So it is very impossible and physically impossible for this to cool an entire room just by being this small, since where will it get the power from? So as you can see, there's our rated 2.8 out of 5 stars with 3 reviews. So my familiar with this product, reading exaggerated claims, do not buy, just a small fan, and that is basically it. So this is what exactly is it, guys. That is what basically this is just a fan, a small fan that cannot cool anything. So please do not buy this in the hopes of cooling an entire room. This is very fake, and the claims on this are very exaggerated and misleading. So that is it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.